Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to distribute evenly in InDesign 2022. So let's get started. At first, open your Adobe InDesign software. Then you can see here are the rectangle. Now I am distribute evenly in InDesign easily. Now firstly go to the Windows menu and go to the object and layout and click align. Now you can see here at the align panel. Then drag and select the rectangle and you can see here are object, distribute object. Then you can select distribute top its, distribute vertically centers. Now click this. Then click distribute horizontally centers. Now you can see here are align tab. Then click the drop down menu and you can select align to key object, align to margin, align to page, align to spread. Now select align to selection. Now select the tool and now vertically this. Here are then firstly select, drag and select this and click the distribute bottom and click distribute horizontally centers. Then align horizontally centers. Now you can see distribute evenly in InDesign 2022 very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.